Hey, Addie.
What?
Hey, what are we watching on TV?
The Cardinal game.
The Cardinal game? Why?
Because I like it.
Why?
Because I saw it on with Pablo last night. And I was with Brown and now it's on Paul's lap. And I was cold, so I put a cover on and grabbed by the new cover. And then we watched this game.
You watched the Cardinal game?
And I really liked it.
Why do you like it?
Because I like it.
Oh. What did Papa tell you about them?
Yeah.
What did he tell you?
Told me that they are St. Louis Cardinals.
Oh, really? Who's that blue team?
I don't know. I forgot. What are those teams?
Who is that? Yaya's team?
Yeah.
You know what they're called?
Nope.
Los Angeles?
Well, then it was blue.
Los Angeles Dodgers.
Yeah.
So who do you want to win? Papa's team or Yaya's team?
Papa's team.
The St. Louis team?
Mhm.
Because where do you live?
In St. Louis.
That's right. So what do you say?
Papa.
Say, go Cardinals.
Go Cardinals.
Yeah. Good luck, Cardinals.
Cardinals are good.
Sometimes.
But not every time.
Yeah, not every time.
Why are they good sometimes?
I don't know. That's just how some people are. Some people are really good sometimes, and some people are really bad
Let's see
sometimes.
what's on this side. Now let's see what's on that side.
Say, go Cardinals.
Go Cardinals.
Woo woo!